Once you make an email account or you create an email account, you can log in by giving your email ID and the password. There you will see all the new email are placed in the folder called inbox. The number shown to the right of the inbox will show the number of email which have arrived in your email account. Once your work is finished, you need to sign out from the email account, or you have to log out from the email account to ensure that other users cannot access your email account. So email, now let us come to page 155, evaluate. Email is a process of sending and receiving messages. Second one, Ray Tomlinson. Third one, compose button. BCC stand for blind carbon copy. Fifth one, antivirus software. B, tick the correct answer. 1A, subject. 2, second one, D, attachment. 3A, send. 4B, contacts. 5C, reply all. C, state true and false. You cannot send audio or video files through email, false. Second one, false. Third one, false. Fourth one, true. Fifth one, false. D, answer the following question. What is an email? Page 155. You see, email is a process of sending and receiving messages through an email account provided by service provider. So what is an email account? What is an email? Email is a process of email is an electronic mail. Okay, it is a process of sending and receiving messages through an email account provided by the service provider. For sending an email, we require internet connection. We require a computer or a mobile with an internet connection. Explain email address with an example. D2. Explain email address with an example. Page 141. When you create an email account, the email service provider provides you with a unique email address. An email address is said to be unique because that particular email address belongs to only one person in the world. Explain with an example. So check here again in page 144. The letters of an email ID can be a combination of numbers and alphabet. as well as some characters such as underscore and a dot. The @ symbol separates the email ID from the domain name. For example, in the email address Cambridge Connection _ICT@yahoo.com, Cambridge Connection _ICT is the email ID and yahoo.com is the domain name. So this is the answer for the second one. Third one, differentiate between CC and BCC. Page 149. Page 149. CC is a short carbon copy. It contains email address of a person to whom you want to send a copy of the email, at the same time letting the person know in to field. So CC is the short for carbon copy. It contains the mail. It contains email address of the person to whom you want to send a copy of the email, at the same time letting the person to know in to field. BCC, full, this one you have to write full from here till here, to field. BCC stand for blind carbon copy till letting the person, without letting the person know in the to field, till there. Fourth one, you have completed writing an article. How will you send it as an attachment by email? Page 153. Page 153. Please check the answer. A file or an article that is sent along with an email is called an attachment. To send an attachment with an email, follow the following steps. Click the compose and type the required details. Click attach files in the formatting toolbar. Browse and select. Step 3. Browse and select the file from the open dialog box displayed. Step 4. A green light blinks on the screen showing that your file is getting attached. Step 5. It will take few seconds for the article to get attached, and then click send. Fifth one, list the benefits of using an email. Page 141. Page 141. It is fast, expensive, and a convenient way to communicate with others. An email can be sent to many people at the same time. You need not be online to view the message. Any message sent to you can be viewed whenever you want. Email is eco-friendly as it does not involve paper, envelope and stamps. So all these are there, the answers. Please write it and learn it and try the brainstorm which is there. Try the brainstorm by yourself on page 157. Thank you.